subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker ZTE has launched its new 5G smartphone in China called Axon 11. Talking about the specifications, the ZTE Axon 11 5G features a 6.47-inch Curve AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU, and the company has also added liquid cooling system to maintain the phone's temperature in extreme conditions. The device packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage, which can also be further expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the ZTE Axon 11 5G supports quad camera setup on the rear, which includes 64 megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 120-degree field of view plus 2 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. On the front, there is 20 megapixel selfie camera under the notch with f2.0 aperture. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 based on the top of ZTE's Mi Favor 10 UI. The smartphone comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with Quick Charge 4 Plus support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.2 by 73.4 by 7.9 mm and it weighs around 168 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The ZTE Axon 11 5G has been priced in China for 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage model at 2,698 Chinese yuan, while 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant is priced at 2,998 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,398 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in black and white color options. So, what do you guys think of this ZTE Axon 11 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.